So we're looking at starting a project here. It's mid-April. We've got the backyard. We've got a nice covered deck up here. We would like to add a concrete patio. Be able to have a little fire pit on. Kind of a transition between the shed. Got the riding lawnmower in the shed. A little path that goes up to the front of the house there, but I'm going to set some grade marks here. There is can't see it in the video, but there's a bit of a transition, a bit of drop in elevation down here. So I'll set some boards up, see if we can't get some grade marks. Well, it's July 5th. I took a video in April. That was the before shot of this area, and was talking about a patio project that would be going on. Well, this is it. A lot of hard work went into this, and it was all done by myself. And the two kids helped. I have a 20-year-old and a 14-year-old. So I got a little bit of help from them. My wife pitched in a little bit, but it's been a lot of fun. Got the little wood sidewalk over there by the shed, and we've got all the rocks around here. Planted some new grass along the new landscaping over here. Just walk out a little bit on the deck. I just laid down this mat. It's kind of an erosion mat. It's supposed to kind of hold the moisture in for the grass to grow. Put that down this morning. That was last thing for this part. But thanks for watching. I'll link the video series. I've got a video series of pouring the stamped concrete patio. I'll link that in the description. But like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.